Hope everyone had a great trading day today. Welcome, guys. Welcome. We're going to go over the markets. Markets were up today. All right. So let's go through the markets. Hey, Muhammad. Gold. All right. So we'll take a look at gold for you. All right. If buy or sell. All right. Well, that will depend on the time frame, but we'll certainly take a look at gold this evening. All right, so we'll start off with overview on the markets, and then we'll get to everything else. So just hang on, and we'll take a look at that. Hey T, welcome T, welcome. All right, guys, we had some good price action today. The Dow was up. All right, Dow was up. Nasdaq was up. S&P down, and the Russell was down. All right. But no major changes. All right. The trends are still intact. I want you guys to keep an eye on the dollar. All right. So the dollar index, we've talked about the dollar. You guys know we track the dollar every single day. We do have a buy signal on the dollar. Our Forex traders, all right, monster scalper traders in particular, we have all across the board on every time frame, 60, 240, and daily time frame. All right, in Forex Dominator, we are trading the dollar pairs long. So hopefully you guys are on that trade. All right, those dollar pairs will follow the dollar index. So we got a buy signal here, guys. The dollar index, we are moving nicely right along that trend line. And we have resistance here right at 105. Okay, so we're looking to break through that resistance. Right now, the dollar trade, that's your best trade right now. All right, as far as Forex is concerned. Okay, so keep an eye on that. On the daily time frame on the S&P, buyers are still holding firm on the daily time frame. All right, that's great news. Big picture, holding firm. Okay, so big picture, holding solid. All right, but these are the daily time frames. The NASDAQ here, right, holding solid. You see a buy signal here, all green candles. So definitely we should be long stocks, okay? On the Dow, buy signal here, again, moving up nicely. See what's my chart in here. All right, can see the price action up here. Hold on. I'll fix this later. But all green candles, buy signal on the Dow here. And good news on the Russell. We've had a buy signal on the IWM, small caps, Russell. All right, look at this, guys. Buy signal on the Russell right here, moving up. And guess what? Stock Boss is moving. Heat Seeker is moving because of the IWM, because of the Russell. All right, so small caps are moving. VIX, a little below 20, trading at, was that 1911? So that's good for the VIX. We need that VIX to come on down if we want to see the equity markets move higher. Okay. Forex, let's see what Forex is doing. We did get a bit of consolidation, but we got volatility coming back in Forex. Okay, so still a bit of consolidation in here, but we can tell volatility is coming in again. You guys can see here, this gray in here, right? Volatility is coming back in. On the daily, 240 and 60-minute time frames. And if you guys look here, right, dollar pairs, right, and then the pound pairs, okay? All right, but number one trade right now, for right now, things will change and do change, but for right now, the dollar pairs, okay? All right, big picture on the Dow, right? All green candles. Look at that price action. Great price action on the weekly time frame on the Dow. All right. On the monthly time frame, look at that, guys. Just amazing, amazing, amazing. Hey, Anthony, welcome. Anthony, welcome. Amazing. All right. S&P. And guys, we send out some alerts on the US 30 S&P and the NAS E-minis. We'll take a quick look at those. Okay, S&P holding firm on the weekly and on the monthly time frame. NAS holding firm. Look at the NAS, guys, getting ready to break a big resistance. Okay, October will be important. All right, so if you guys look here, all right, we made a low here, made another low here. All right, and we're moving higher. Perfect timing for the Christmas rally, but this is a crazy year, right? It's an election year, so we'll see, right? We'll see what the market does after the election, but setting up for a really good Christmas rally here. Okay, NASDAQ on the monthly time frame breaking through that resistance. We're in all-time highs, right? Territory. Okay, Russell also, we talked about this. Russell gave a buy signal on the weekly. Look at the monthly, guys. All right, look at the, on the daily, look at the weekly here, right? Looking to break a big resistance. This resistance, right, goes back all the way to 2021, 2022 right here. So big resistance. If we break this resistance, we could see the IWM, the Russell, and small caps really push higher, okay? And we'll take a look at small cap stocks, okay? We'll take a look at those this evening, all right? Because, look here, all right? IWM, Russell, buy signal here, it's breaking out, okay? So that buy signal came in, all right, 3 days ago, right? Okay, perfect. All right, monthly time frame with the Russell, okay? And we could see small caps really move. Now, large caps have been leading the way, and those come from, those will follow the S&P and the NASDAQ, right? Your Magnificent Seven stocks, right? But the Russell, those are your cheaper stocks, right? The ones that Anthony likes to trade, all right, in Stock Boss. So we're looking for a break of resistance here. So those, keep an eye on your heat seeker for Stock Boss because those stocks are starting to move. I think we got 83 came up today on heat seeker. Okay, so we'll look for some opportunities there. The VIX, like I said, big picture came down a bit. Your Mag 7, your Magnificent 7, the big mover is NVIDIA. All right, guys, so NVIDIA really breaking higher. Buy signal here, getting past sellers here, moving up nicely. Perfect timing, all right, for AI fourth quarter. Looks good. Okay, Amazon, right, just holding. We need Amazon to break through that resistance. Does have a buy signal. Meta, Facebook, look at Facebook, right? Buy signal here. Let's pull this up. All right, buy signal here, and it's breaking to the upside, okay? And we'll take a look at gold for you, Mohammed. All right, so Meta, Microsoft, all right, Microsoft, red candle here, nothing to do yet, okay? Previous buy signal closed here. It's been consolidating between support and resistance. We could actually bring this right up here, all right? And then Apple, so nothing to do with Microsoft. Apple, guys, look here. Apple is setting up for a breakout. Look at that. Buy signal here. We had a red candle. All right, time to get back in right here. Looking to break through that resistance. Almost have a decent cup and handle here, guys. Cup and handle looking to break out. Okay, so Apple looks good to break out. This is on the daily time frame. And Tesla, guys, has a sell signal. Just holding here, nothing to do on the daily time frame. And Google right here also holding, okay? Bitcoin, we are starting to see some moves in Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin is at 67,000, guys. If it breaks through that resistance, we could see a buy signal on the daily. I think we do have a buy signal on the daily, but we do need to break through that resistance, get past sellers in here. All right, lots of consolidation in here. All right, all of 2000 so far, all of 2024 right here, guys, for the whole year. All right, for the whole year so far, nothing in Bitcoin. It's consolidating for the whole year. I'm sure this has been very frustrating for crypto traders, okay? The dollar index, we talked about the dollar index. Dollar is moving higher. All right, we're looking for price. We got a good triangle here. Price is being squeezed. Good chance that the dollar could break through that downward trend line here. If it does, we could see the dollar really move higher. Again, resistance on the dollar is right at 105, okay? Gold, let's take a look at gold. All right, so Mohammed, big picture on gold, weekly time frame, really looks good. Gold is at $27. Isn't that crazy, guys? Who trades gold here with us? Peter. I'm sure Peter is doing really, really well. I might reach out to Peter. Peter trades gold, right? That's one of his, he called these, I think, his babies, right? So that's one of his babies, gold. And I'm sure he's doing really, really well. Just amazing moves in gold. If you wanted to find a trade, we could move this to, no, he calls him his girlfriend. That's what he calls. He has 3 trades that he does. Gold is one of them. And yeah, that's what he calls them. All right, so daily time frame, buy signal here. But buy signal came in at 2,500 on the daily time frame, trading at 2,700, still holding. All right, if we go to a 240-minute time frame, let's see what it's doing on the 240. So if you wanted to find a trade on the 240-minute time frame here, let's do this. All right, so on the 240-minute time frame, all right, based on your risk tolerance here, buy signal, we do have a buy signal. So buy signal on the daily, buy signal on the weekly, buy signal on the 240. Buy signal came in right here, Mohammed, on the 240, right here at 2684, trading at 2708. And you can trade it in the yeah, that's futures here. On the 60-minute time frame, let's see if we can find a trade there. 60-minute time frame, buy signal came in on a really good. If we do this on the 60-minute time frame, a couple of trades. So markdown phase, markup phase, right here. So 2 buy signals. So bought here, buy signal here, red candle came in here, could have gotten out here. So buy signal at 2642, could have sold here, red candle, 2666, all right? And then buy signal came in here at 2683, and now it's trading all the way up here at 2708. If you wanted to take it lower, to a 30-minute time frame, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, buy signal here, still holding. So on every single time frame, we've got buy signals. So gold is definitely moving higher. Okay, so good job spotting this. You just have to find, if you're going to trade it, find your time frame. Okay. So on the weekly, it's gone. That's too late. On the weekly time frame, we don't trade on the weekly anyway. On the daily time frame, it's too late. Okay, but on the 240 and perhaps the 60-minute, let's take a look again. 60 minutes, that's gone. All right, so let's do this. All right, so what's that? Hold on. 30, all right, 30-minute, right? Buy signal here, so that's still near the buy signal. So 30-minute would be a decent time frame to get on. Okay, all right, good question there. All right, silver is lagging a bit. Okay, silver is lagging. Good markdown phase, markup. We had a buy signal here that failed, buy signal here that's breaking out. But it's struggling a bit. But, you know, silver usually moves first and then gold lags. This time, gold is moving first, and silver is lagging a bit. The concern with silver right here, although we have all green candles, we have purple support and resistance. Okay, but if gold continues to move higher, so will silver eventually. Okay, silver will catch up. All right. And usually traders love to trade silver. It's a cheaper price. Okay, current positions. Let's go through current positions in Monster Scalper on the 60-minute time frames, guys. And look here, we are loaded up. All right, on the dollar pairs, dollar and yen pairs. That's about it. All right, that's what they're trading now. That's what they're buying. All right, especially the dollar pairs. And we did take a look at the dollar index, right? So keep an eye on the dollar index right here, guys. All right, buy signal here. We're moving up, mark down, mark up. All right, we're looking for a target here. Remember, 105, okay? 105. All right, so let's go through these current trades in Monster Scalper. Long positions, okay? We'll go through these quickly. USD SEK, all right? Great trade going here. Our Monster Scalper traders, there is no reason why you guys should not be in these trades, okay? We've been calling these trades out, right? We've been sending out alerts. Keep in mind, when you guys see alerts come out over and over, we have a couple of days where we're sending out alerts in a particular group, pay attention. All right, there's a move happening. It doesn't necessarily mean that we have a rotation, but there's a move happening. So really pay attention to that. Okay, worst thing that can happen as a trader, the moves are happening, and we're on the sideline, not taking advantage of the move. And we've reduced the time frame to 60 minutes. All right, so yes, you might not trade the 240, but no reason not to trade the 60 minute. Okay. All right, so USD, all right, USD SEK buy signal here on a break of this resistance, all green candles moving up nicely. Great trade there going. USD SEK, USD CZK, all right, buy signal here, sell signal, close the trade. USD CZK, close the trade. Next trade, USD DKK buy signal, came in right on a break of resistance. Right here, took some time, right? That's why we have to wait, guys. Just be patient. No red candles, no sell signals, right? The white candle here, follow, good follow through, moving up nicely here on the 60-minute. USD DKK, USD CNH, another great trade, guys. Buy signal here, all green candles. This is what will get you guys out of the trade, okay? So, right, be careful getting out of the trades on these white candles, okay? All right, price is just consolidating, taking a break, all right? Wait for red candles, all right? Now, if the market was bearish, if the dollar index was bearish, yes, you might want to get out on a white candle, but that's not the case. The dollar index is moving higher, so these white candles, just try to hold firm, right? Very bullish sign if you get a green candle followed by these white candles here, those white neutral candles, okay? So good price action, buy signal all the way down here, all right? Holding resistance here, right? We have a good price has been squeezed. Good triangle here. We need to break through that resistance. USD CNH, good trade going there. Dollar Swiss, buy signal here. Red candle, close the trade. Keep an eye on it though. Don't give up. All right. We could certainly get another buy signal on a break of resistance. And look here. It is choppy, but you could get a decent trade out of it. Okay. So it is moving higher. All right, we can bring this all the way down. And you guys can see here, it is moving higher. All right. All right, so this is a decent trade, right? This one here is not too bad. So let's see what it does. USD, Swiss, let's close it for now. Wait for the next buy signal. All right, USD PLN, great trade going here, guys, on a break of resistance right here. All right, good markup phase. Pay attention to how it's traded in the past. Okay, so buy signal here, sell signal, buy signal, sell signal. Look at the current trade. Okay, buy signal here. All right, 60-minute time frame. We just need to hold on. Okay, with the move that we're seeing in the dollar index. Okay, anything can happen, guys. It can reverse. You guys know that. But the dollar index, boy, doesn't it look like it really wants to get to that resistance area here? And depending on how, right, it approaches resistance here, it could break through that resistance. So keep that in mind, because what we could do is we could add. All right, so we could buy here. All right, so a buy signal here, perhaps add some here on a break of resistance here, perhaps add a little bit more here. Okay, so that's how you build your trades. You can scale up. All right, but we want to make sure that, you know, we have a catalyst, and the dollar index is that catalyst right now. Okay, all right, USD SGD, or buy signal was here. We got out here. All right, red candles, got back in right here, moving up nicely so far. USD HKD, all right, not a good trade. Buy signal here. Let's draw it out. And this on the 60-minute, guys. And I think we've got really good setups on the 240 as well. Okay. So we should not be complaining that we don't have any trades, okay? All right, we have resistance here, right? Buy signal here, moving up nicely, looking to break through that resistance. This one we want to keep an eye on, okay? We have purple support and resistance. We know sellers are sitting here, right? See what they did before? Here and here. Here we are. So you get a white candle here. This is where you might want to get out of the trade, because guess what? Right? That's seller's territory here. All right. Hopefully we break through. Keep an eye on it. USD HKD, USD NOK. Great trade going here, guys. Buy signal here. All right. All good price action. We've got a white candle here. Yeah. White candle here. And we've got another white candle here. This is where, right, if you're in it here, notice these white candles, these neutral candles, buyers came in, kept going higher. White neutral candle, buyers came in, kept on. So if you're in this one, pay attention to these white candles, how they close. If they close green, guess what? You can breathe a little easier and let the trade run. Okay? So remember, we want small losses like here. Small losses, right? Big wins. These big wins will pay for our small losses, but we have to stay in, let them run. USD NOK, good trade going there. Dollar ZAR. Now, the ZAR pairs can be tricky, okay? So dollar ZAR, we have a buy signal here. And we have resistance here. Markdown, first trade, did okay, all right? Buy signal here, broke resistance. All right, we have white candles here. All right, let's wait to see what happens. We need buyers to come on back in and keep pushing higher. And it's dollar ZAR, so we've got the dollar index and all of the other dollar pairs on our side. USD JPY. So the yen pairs, guys, buy signal here, moving higher there. USD JPY. HKD JPY, buy signal here, moving higher. All right, bring in your lines, moving higher here. So yen pairs are trying to get back in the action. TRY JPY, buy signal here. These are new breakouts. Aussie yen, buy signal here. All right, moving higher. And we have to add pound yen. Pound yen gave a buy signal today. We'll send that out later after the training. All right, so Aussie yen, buy signal here, good price action. We need to break through that resistance here and keep going higher. Aussie yen, SGD, JPY, same thing, guys. Mark down, buy signal, mark up, accumulation. All right. CAD yen. All right, CAD yen. Now I know some of these trades doesn't look, setups aren't pretty, but you guys know what's going on with the yen pairs. We still, right, big macro, right, we're going up. No shorts, okay? We're going up. So any opportunity we get to trade the yen pairs long, right, we want to take it, okay? All right, so buy signal here, CAD yen, right? Buy signal here, we're looking to break out, okay? Swiss yen, all right, same thing. And sometimes they will fail, right? So we just want to stay with them. All right. You can have 5, 6 losses, guys, and then one trade you stay in. That trade could pay for all your losses, right? We go through that. All right. So buy signal here. We're looking for it to break out here. Swiss yen, and then dollar CAD. Let's move dollar CAD up here. All right. So that dollar CAD, USD CAD. All right, and check out dollar CAD, guys. Dollar CAD has been trading really well. Look at this. Let's open this up. All right, look at the trade here in dollar CAD. Guys, this is on the 60-minute time frame. Buy signal all the way down here. This was on 10-3, finally closed on 10-11. Amazing trade on the 60-minute time frame. All right, next trade came in here, bought here, sold here, and now we've got another buy signal right here. Buy signal right here, moving up nicely. And so we've got good previous trades, good history. And let's see if we can do it again. All right, so it's got to get past. Let's call it the high right here. Okay. All right. Dollar CAD. No shorts. Okay. We don't have any shorts. If you guys are shorting, if anyone is shorting, just be careful. We should not be shorting. The euro pairs, pound pairs. You guys notice we haven't been trading those. You might find opportunities here and there, but all of the action is in the dollar pairs and then the yen pairs, okay? All right, so focus on what's moving. All right, USD on the 240, okay? 240, great trades going here. On the 240, guys, USD SEK, buy signal here on the break of resistance. Previous trade coming out of the markdown phase did really, really well, okay? And guys, you can trade multiple time frames, okay? So you can have a trade on the 240 and also trade on a different pair on the 60-minute, okay? All right, so buy signal here, right? Sold here, buy signal here on a break of resistance, good trade going there. USD SEK, okay? All right, USD DKK. All right, look at this great trade, guys, for lots of pips here, okay? Great trade going. Buy signal here, USD DKK, all right? And we don't even have resistance on this, I don't believe. Yeah, okay, we have resistance right here. Let me put this back here. Okay, so great trade. Markdown phase, mark up. Look at this, perfect trade. All green candles, all right? And we got resistance here. We'll see how it reacts to resistance here. Looks like it wants to break through nicely, right? Good price action, good solid candles, okay? USD DKK, dollar Swiss. We know about dollar Swiss. Buy signal here, getting ready to break through that resistance. Good trade here, lots of pips. And then dollar CAD. Dollar CAD closed its trade on the 240. We just talked about it on the 60-minute. Look what it did on the 240, guys. Great trade here, over 200 pips. Buy signal here, closed here, all right, I would still keep it on the radar. If it breaks through resistance here, that's too bad it closed here. That's too bad. Broke support here, give a sell signal, that's too bad, right? Hopefully, you know, right? We do have sellers here, so if it breaks through that resistance, gives another buy signal, boy, this is one you guys might want to get in, okay? We do have sellers here. Keep that in mind. USD CNH, you guys see how these dollar pairs are moving, and they've been moving for a while. We've been talking about these dollar pairs move, okay? All right, so USD CNH, buy signal here, moving up nicely. This, you know, I know this is hard to stay in when the price action does this, okay? But if you focus on candle by candle by candle, all right? So if you get white candles, watch it, right? Watch it. Pay attention. You get green candles, all right, we're good. White candles, watch it. Green candles, we're good. As long as we don't get any red candles or sell signals, okay? Because the big move is long. Remember, guys, we have the dollar index right here. It really held support at $100, and now it's moving higher. All right. If we get this on the weekly time frame, if we get another week, right? Weekly, right? Weekly or monthly? Monthly. I'm sorry, monthly. All right. So it's in the current month, right? If this candle closes green, like it did here, that's a very, very bullish sign. Okay. And that's a big white candle. If it continues, right, for the month, that could turn green, very bullish. We could see these dollar pairs move much higher, okay? All right, USD, MXN, Mexican peso, buy signal here and holding. All right, yen pairs, dollar yen, all right? All right, difficult pair to trade because sometimes it can have doesn't know what it quite wants to do, because it's part of the dollar and part of the yen. But we've got the yen pairs and the dollar pairs, right? Dollar pairs and the yen pairs moving up. Look at dollar yen moving up nicely. No white candles. All right. All right, look at that. Buy signal here, all green candles moving higher here. We could see dollar yen really move. All right, looking to move, get a resistance all the way up here. Good price action on dollar yen. HKD, JPY, Hong Kong yen. Guys, we've got great trades going. We've got great trades going. All right. So get on these trades. HKD, JPY, it's too late on the 240 though. Buy signal here. All right. Moving up nicely. HKD, JPY, TRY, JPY. Another good trade. Buy signal here. Moving up nicely. All yellow support and resistance here. So buy signal here. All yellow support and resistance. We are breaking resistance here. Look at this. Okay. So we have strong resistance here, here, and here. Here we are breaking resistance. Next target all the way up here. All right. I know TRY is not a favorite pair, but it will move. Pound yen on the 240, guys, give a sell signal here. But boy, stay with it. Okay. If it breaks resistance here, which it, all right, buyers are coming in here, breaks through that resistance, gives a buy signal. All right, I'm not telling what you guys what to do, but you know pound yen will move. It is volatile, but it will move, okay? Pound yen and SGD, JPY, buy signal right here, red candle will close this trade, okay? So we'll close it for now. Let's see here, hold on. Hold on, let's just make sure. All right, so it's gotten past sellers here. We don't have any real resistance here, so we'll keep it. All right, we'll keep it for now. So buyers are coming back in. Okay, so buyers are coming back in. We have resistance here, right? Resistance here. Green candles coming in. All right, so we'll keep it. All right, so that's on the 240. We're doing good on time. Now, Forex dominator. Remember I said, Forex dominator, we had no positions. You guys remember this? Pay attention to how these markets are moving. Okay. Remember, there was nothing in Forex dominator. When we start to see Forex alerts come in Forex dominator, those are big moves, guys. These moves will last months. Okay, months. So if Forex dominator isn't showing anything, that means we don't have any big trends. But once Forex dominator really starts to take off and give signals like it's doing now, all right, those are big moves that will last months. Like this one here, this buy signal here came in what's that, March of 2000, earlier this year. That closed, and that, guys, that's for a lot of pips, okay? That closed in July, okay? So they will, they will move. Look at this markdown phase here, okay? So the good news is, and we'll start with the dollar pairs here. All right, so a range trade here, markdown, buy signal here, good buy signal. We're moving up nicely here. We look to get to resistance here. USD SEK. All right, we've got that twice. USD CZK, same thing. Okay, range trade, but these range trades could do really, really well because we're working off the daily time frame. Okay, so held support, and now we're moving higher here. Okay, I know most of you will not trade this, but all right, buy signal here. We're looking to break through that resistance. Remember, these are the dollar pairs. We're looking for big moves. USD HUF, USD CZK. You guys see what's happening? USD DKK. All right, markdown phase. All right, dollar pairs are moving. They can only sell off for so long. All right, look at that price action. Look at the buy signal here. Look at that price action, guys, straight up. Okay. All right, so on every time frame, the dollar pairs are moving higher. Resistance is right here. USD PLN. All right, same thing here. Markdown, buy signal. Look at that, moving up nicely there. Dollar Swiss, beautiful setup. Really good markdown phase coming out of a range. All right. All right, buy signal, resistance is here. And it's coming out of a big support. All right, big support area. So we have resistance here, support. We'll call this support. All right, look what it did before. Mark down, mark up. All right, guys, these are for what? 900, 1,000 pips, right? Buy signal here, good markdown, buy signal. Came in almost identical to this buy signal. Let's see if it can make its way all the way back up. All right, we did USD, and then dollar CAD, same thing here, guys. Same thing here with dollar CAD, and we are breaking out of a range. Buy signal is right at that resistance. Okay, so really good price action. All right, really good price action in Forex. Okay, yen pairs, TRY, JPY, early buy signal, guys. Early buy signal here. Look at this. All right, really good markdown phase. All right, buy signal, bring in your lines. TRY, JPY, Aussie yen, good markdown phase, buy signal, holding firm. All right, Aussie HKD, JPY, good markdown phase, buy signal. Look at this on the daily time frame. So monster Forex dominator is moving. Look at that. All right, HKD, JPY, did we call Aussie? Aussie yen. Pound yen, same thing. All right, buy signal here, moving higher. Look at pound yen previous trade, guys. Amazing. Buy signal here, sell signal here. Look at that. If you don't trust the system, right? You got to trust the system. Buy signal here, sell signal. Sellers came in heavy. We got a buy signal here. We're moving up. All right. Follow your 4 market phases. Follow your systems. SGD, JPY, same thing here. Buy signal here, sell signal here. All right. Sellers came in, marked down. Buyers came in, buy signal. We're moving up again. Here is your V. SGD, JPY. Same thing, CAD yen. CAD yen here. So yen pairs are moving and dollar pairs are moving together. It's rare, but that's what's happening right now. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. ZAR yen, same thing. And then New Zealand yen, same thing, okay? So dollar and yen pairs, guys, that's your trade. If you guys are trading anything else than these pairs, you're doing something wrong, okay? And if you're shorting, you're doing something wrong, okay? We should be long these pairs, Those are your lowest risk trades, okay? Let's see here. US 30. I want to go to the US 30 before I forget, okay? US 30 or US 30 traders. All right, we call the buy signal here, okay? We call this one here, and we call this one here. It's not all the time we call buy signals. I think during the consolidation in here, we only call like one buy signal, okay? I think we missed this one. We definitely call this buy signal, and we call this buy signal. Pay attention to these buy signals when we call them. We're not always right. All right, especially with the US 30. But when we see good price action like this, okay, we want to be on top of these trades, especially the US 30. On the daily time frame, look here, guys, amazing price action. All right, on the US 30. And remember, that's the Dow, okay? So really, our US 30 traders, even if you trade on a smaller time frame, I know many of you guys do on a smaller time frame, a 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, find your opportunity. If you guys are looking at the time frames like this, like a 5-minute time frame, and it looks like this, go to a different time frame. Okay, just find a time frame. We know it's moving. All right, so 5-minute, 3-minute time frame, nothing is happening there. We know it's moving on the 60-minute time frame, right? We know we've got good price action, good buy signal. We know on the daily time frame it's moving. So if you move it to a 5-minute, and I know that's popular, and there's nothing there, find a different time frame. Okay, don't force it on that time frame. So just go to, we looked at a 3-minute time frame, there's nothing there. Let's try a 15-minute time frame. All right. Look at the 15-minute time frame. Really good. So it's not the time. It's a lot of times it's the we think it's the time frame that that we want to trade. No, it's a time frame that's trading well, trading that instrument well. Okay, so remember that. Okay, find a time frame where it's trading well. This 15-minute time frame is very different. Trading on this 15-minute time frame here. Look at the trades here. Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Yeah, this one bought here. This one failed, but look at this. Look at this. Okay, and this price action on that 15-minute time frame, and there's not a big difference compared to the time frame on that 5-minute time frame. Very different here. Look at that. Very, very different. Okay, so I know we like our time frames, but sometimes, especially with the US 30, right? You can move the time frames around. Let's see a 30-minute time frame, even a 30-minute time frame. You've got some good trades here. Okay, Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, bought here, still holding. Amazing trading. So again, if you guys, if you trade our US 30 traders, especially, and NAS 100 traders, right? Go back and forth, find the time frame, okay? That's trading well for you, okay? All right. So 60-minute time frame. The NAS 100 had a trade that failed. Okay, so we had a buy signal here. Red candle, so we should be out. Wait. All right, wait for buyers to come on back in. Okay, we are holding right here on the daily time frame. Okay. On the S&P, we have a buy signal here. A bit of a pullback, but holding. All right. If you're trading this, just watch it. We need green candles, okay? So just, I know it's hard with these E-mini trades. They move a lot. I know it's hard to do it, but most of you guys don't trade it on the 60. Okay, so find, like I said, find a time frame, okay? Find a time frame. If you're out of it, like right here, here's a 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame will give you some really good trades, okay? All right, so let's bring that back. All right. Current positions. I wanted to make sure I cover the US 30, but great trade going on the US 30 on the 60-minute time frame. Current positions in Stock Boss. Remember, that's the Russell. All right, so Stock Boss, the small caps are moving. All right, let's go through this quickly. I'm sure most of these are holding. So small caps, let's take a look. All right, so LAAC, good markdown phase, buy signal here, holding firm. We'll go through this quickly. All right, Stock Boss, okay. All right, holding, nice price action, breaking out. Holding firm. All right, holding. All right, EYPT. Right, good markdown phase, guys. For small cap stocks, find the ones, those of you who trade Stock Boss, all right, Anthony, find the ones like this. These are perfect stocks for Stock Boss because they're cheaper stocks, small cap stocks. They've been depressed, all right? They've been all right, they've sold off a lot of them, and they're coming out of that markdown phase. Large caps are a little different, right? Large caps, most of those stocks are in the markup phase, and we're looking for reaccumulation trades there. Stock Boss, small caps, these are the type of trades you're going to get here. Coming out of that markdown phase, right? Really oversold, buyers are coming in, looking to take it up, okay? Especially now with the Russell Index giving a buy signal, okay? All right. All right, here's another one here. Good buy signal. See that? See all that good selling? All right. So that fell from what price? That fell from $20. Buy signal came in right at 4. All right. Good setup there. All right. Holding. Another good one. See? Another good one. See all that selling. Good, good. Look at that. All right, look at that. So different types of trades with Bullmaster and Bullmaster Pro than Stock Boss, okay? All right. Good. Hold in, hold in. Not see here, guys, this is what we want to see right here. All right, all that good selling, now we're moving higher. Here's another one here. All right, good, good. Look at this one. Good. Look at that. Good markdown phase. Buy signal. Markup phase. All right. We don't talk about this a lot. We do in coaching, but we don't talk about the 4 market phases a lot. I'm going to start talking more about the 4 market. Follow your 4 market phases. If you guys are not following these 4 market phases, sellers, markdown, buy signal, accumulation, buy signal, markup, you're doing it wrong. Okay. All right, same thing here. All right, markdown, buy signal, moving up. All right, so good trades in stock boss, nothing to change there. All right, bull master, so large caps. Now you guys should know this. So bull master, these are S&P. They're going to follow the S&P and the NASDAQ primarily, okay? All right, let's go through these. All right, holding. We just want to make sure that these are holding, guys. Holding, holding. Notice that most of these are like reaccumulation, okay? Holding, holding, holding. All right, these are not coming out of the markdown phase, okay? Holding, reaccumulation, holding, holding. Here's a markdown phase here. Holding, good reaccumulation phase, okay? So ready in the markup. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. All right, reaccumulation, buy signal there. Good reaccumulation, reaccumulation, reaccumulation. Good trade. All green candles. All right, nothing to change. All right, ON, sell signal. Buy signal here, sell signal, close the trade, please. ON. All right, good trade going here. Reaccumulation, OWL, good. Good, look at that. Reaccumulation, reaccumulation. See the difference? RCL, reaccumulation. All right. Holding, holding, holding. There's a markdown U. Good trade going here. All green candles. Market's moving. All green candles. Bull master. All right. Here's a markdown. And that's it. All right. So only one to change there. Not bad. And then bull master pro with fundamentals. Here. AMD. Red candle. Sell signal. Let's close that one here. All right. Amazon, guys, give a red candle. We're going to hold it. All right. Because buyers are coming back in. We're looking for a break of resistance, and that's part of the MAG 7, the Magnificent 7. So let's see if it can break out for us, okay? Carver, let's see our Carver. Look at Carver, beautiful reaccumulation phase, okay? So mark down, mark up, right? Bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here, buy signal holding nicely there, okay? All right, beautiful reaccumulation phase. CSWI. All right, holding, holding. NVIDIA, right, new buy signal, holding. All right, holding, holding. See this reaccumulation, guys. Holding, VRT, and that's it. All right. All right, so all the markets are moving. All the markets are moving. Every single market. Okay, so we need to find our spot. Okay. What about SOFI? SOFI, let's see here. Let's see. Is that Yupin? Yupin? Thanks, Yupin. Thanks for the question. SOFI. Where can we go? Let's go to Stock Boss. All right. SOFI. All right, SOFI. So that's at $9. So that's I'm assuming it's small caps. Okay. So on the monthly time frame, all right, we've got some consolidation. Right, we have resistance here. It looks like it could break resistance. So we have resistance here at Let's bring that right about $10. So let's call resistance $10. Support is on the monthly time frame now. Support is at, all right, now we usually trade equities on the daily time frame. Support is about, let's say $6 there. On the monthly, on the weekly time frame, the sector isn't a major concern because, you know, the market is bullish. Everything is moving right now. So on the weekly time frame, we have two levels of support. We have really good support at, let's call it $5 here. We have near-term support at, on the weekly time frame. Now, we wouldn't trade it on the weekly, just trying to find direction here. And then we have our buy signal on the weekly, so that's good, Yupan. All right. I might mess up your name, okay. But we have on the weekly time frame, look here, we had sellers came in, good consolidation here. Buy signal here on the weekly that failed, okay, but we wouldn't trade it on the weekly. What's nice is we have buyers coming in with a buy signal here on the weekly. So last week it made a jump from $8.31, all right, to $9 last week, and now it's trading at $9.87. Now this stock fell from, let's go back to the weekly here. So it's got a good markdown. It fell from around $28. All right, so now it's trading at $9. Not a great risk reward. So it doesn't have a lot of upside potential. However, the daily time frame, if we look at the daily time frame to find a trade, difficult. All right, so a lot of consolidation with this stock. You can find a better stock. So we have support here, and then we have resistance here. Now, the good thing is on the weekly time frame, you've got it breaking out, okay? So on the weekly time frame, you've got it right here. It's breaking out of a lot of consolidation, but it is breaking out, okay? It gapped up. Buyers are definitely coming. You guys can see that here. It's clearing the sellers here. This area right here, that's a concern. See sellers here. Can you guys see this? Yeah. So sellers here on the weekly, here and here. But guess what? It went through its markdown phase and it's got a buy signal. So that's very encouraging on the weekly. So what we have to do here is it's got a buy signal here. Red candles came in, so right, it could have gotten back in here, but this is where it's sitting right now, okay, which is not a good place to be. Okay, so we have good resistance here at 10, call it $10. This is where sellers came in before and pushed the price lower. Here, 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 and here we are right now. Okay, so there's a good chance that sellers could come in again and push the price lower. So what we would like to see is the price get above $10 and kind of settle in this area in here. If you got in here in the daily time frame, right, that's good, right? You can hold on, but just be aware sellers are here. So what a lot has to happen, prices got to get above resistance and consolidate a bit. This moving average has to come on up, all right? Come on up to meet the price, all right? And then start moving higher. But right now it looks like it's overbought right here. Difficult trading, all right? That doesn't mean it can't break out and move higher, but difficult trading here, okay? On a smaller time frame, let's take a look at the 60-minute time frame here. Oh, it's 8:02. All right, guys, I'll be done with this one. Okay. No alerts in Monster Scalper. We won't go through. We've got a few to send out to our Monster Scalper traders, but we are loaded up. All right, in Monster Scalper. So a 60-minute time frame. Let's take a look here. Hold on. So hourly time frame. So on an hourly time frame, all right, it's trading fairly well. Let's get some more data here. So move the time frames, guys. Move the time frame. So we know the daily, it's hitting some resistance on the daily there. So you can move that time frame. All right, so on the hourly time frame, it gave a buy signal. All right, buy signal here. Right, recent buy signal came at $8.09, closed at $9.67. So what you could do is wait. All right, you can wait right here. All right, on a break of resistance right here to get another buy signal. Okay, all right. Okay. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Good call on this stock, but it depends on the time frame. It is breaking out, right? Sellers definitely sold it off. All right. So this is the concern here, though. That's the concern. You guys can clearly see, right? It's in a range, and it's at the top of the range here. So sellers could come back. That doesn't mean it can't break out. Okay. But very encouraging on the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame looks really good with that buy signal. Okay. All right, guys. Our traders. So all our traders. Okay, whether it's and most of you have variety of our systems, right? Multiple systems, so you're trading multiple markets. Find your opportunities. I always say this, right? When these markets are moving, a lot of times we are waiting for opportunities. And now it's moving. Okay, so we want to take advantage. Our traders that trade multiple time frame and multiple systems, like we have a lot of traders that have Monster Scalper, Forex. You have Stock Boss, you have Bullmaster, you have the US 30. And I know we get stuck with our system, the systems that we like. Okay, all right, especially our US 30 traders and our Forex Monster Scalper traders. I know those are popular systems, but stocks are moving, guys. All right, stocks are moving. So especially Stock Boss right now is moving. Okay, the Russell is moving. It broke out with a buy signal. You're going to see stocks. Look at this, right? We're going to run Heat Seeker. And when was the last time you guys saw, how many stocks here? Hold on. Why is it taking? It's taking a while to run. Okay, we'll come back to that. Okay, so Bullmaster, 124 stocks, guys, in Bullmaster. Heat Seeker for Bullmaster. Let's go back to Stock Boss. Okay, let's run Stock Boss. 88 stocks in Stock Boss. When was the last time we saw that? 88 stocks in Stock Boss. Okay, so you can trade multiple systems. That's why you guys have those. Okay, so put your systems to work. That's why you have them. Right? Markets are moving. Right? There will come a time when these markets will consolidate again. Okay, you guys know that, so take advantage. All right, take advantage. Be smart about your trading, but take advantage of these moves. Okay, all right, guys. Thanks for coming. Thanks for your questions. All right, thanks for sending your your stocks. Okay, and I will see you guys on the new folks here, welcome. I'll see you guys on Sunday. Okay, don't forget to get into the Discord. Okay, get into the Discord, learn from our other traders. Okay, guys, take care. See everyone on Sunday. Good trading. Take advantage of these